Hey, my YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today let's take a look at the life of a stay-at-home mom of 3 and 4. So here I just woke up early in the morning at around 6 a.m. I'm freshening up myself, brushing my teeth and all that before the kids can wake up, because if they wake up they will definitely not let me do what I want to do. So I have to hurry up and do whatever work has to be done with two hands. And here I am giving a little bit dance to my Lord for waking us up this morning. It's a happy dance, it's appreciation dance to my God. So I'm gonna pop into the bathroom and take a very quick shower, because if they wake up, my two eldest will be like they need to shower with me, and I really don't have that much energy right now. I'm here washing the dishes because I need to leave my house when it's well kept. At least if I come back, my eyes will set into something beautiful. That's why I like leaving my room, my house, my everything well cleaned up before it comes and disappoints me. So I'm just putting aside every single thing from the cooking table before I can make tea for my little ones. And I'm doing all this at the speed of a bullet, because if my girls wake up, they'll just be making noise and they'll wake their little one up, like my youngest, who is now 4 weeks 1 month, 4 weeks, yeah. They would wake him up. So I have to really be so fast doing all these things. So I'm just cleaning my kitchen and cleaning the cooker and everything before I can make tea for them. And then, mind you guys, I have a nurturing course that I have to go to, and I'll have to go with these kids. And yep, here comes the little one. Yeah, that's your biscuit, yeah. Ah, yeah, it's circle. It's a circle biscuit. Yummy. You woke up earlier than your sister today? I have to make for you tea. Chai. Yes, that one is for chai. But I have to make for you tea, yeah?
10 minutes.
Yes, in 10 minutes. So my middle child is awake and she's commanding me to make for her tea in 10 minutes. She's so funny. So here I'm making for them milk tea, and I have to quickly clean up the floor, the kitchen floor. I've cleaned it last night, but when we walk around and all that, our feet gets it dirty. So I'm just here cleaning it, and after washing the dishes, there are also some food crumbs that fell down. They have to get out of my way before I could serve the tea. Yeah, my little one is just seated at that corner watching herself on the camera. I think she's enjoying herself over there, admiring herself. I let them be sleep shirtless, by the way, because now in UK it is June. It's very hot. You hardly put on clothes here. So for kids it's not easy. They have to move naked. So it's not a lifestyle, but it's just a survival strategy here at this season, at this summer season. I should help you. Help you with what, Mama? I can help you.
Woke up to the smell of Mama's love on the stove. Laughter in the kitchen, yeah, that's how the morning goes. Little hands reaching, stories in our eyes. We've come so far, got roots in the sky. Food, family, fresh starts, building home with open hearts, passing plates and passing grace, new dreams in a brand new place. Through every tear and every scar, we've come together, that's who we are.
Come on now, you. So my youngest is awake and all the girls are awake too, and we have to take tea at bullet speed because we are running late for the nurturing course. And here we are now for the nurturing course. We have had our classes and we are done with our classes, and now I have to go and collect the kids from the room where I've dropped them before we could go home, and I'm going to prepare for them lunch. So let's go and collect my babies right in this room. She still wants to play. Oopsie. See you next week, love. Yes, mommy's here. Mommy's here. Come, try on the wheel. Get tired. So we are back from the nurturing course that I've been doing, and the kids have been so hungry because they haven't eaten anything since morning except for the breakfast, the juice that they took, and yeah, I just kept giving them juices, yeah, so they can eat and wait for lunch. I'm going to make something real quick, something that gets ready very fast so they can eat without making noise before they start making noise, you know, before they start crying. So mama, leave it. No, leave the stand alone. So I have to make something real quick for them to eat before they start making noise of hunger. Mama, leave it, please. Stop teasing me. Which one is chicken? Which one is chicken, mama? Mama, what are you doing playing with water? Wash your apple. Pick your apple and wash it. Mama, look here. Mama, you don't have to play with water. Yes, water. You don't have to play with it.
Woke up to the smell of mama's love on the stove. Laughter in the kitchen, yeah, that's how the morning goes. Little hands reaching, stories in our eyes. We've come so far, got roots in the sky.